Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Let's open the English workbook of class nursery. Today we are going to learn our workbook page number 2. Now let's open the workbook page number 2. Student, today our topic is join the dots and color the picture. First, mention the date on the top, whatever the date is, just put here and mark the day. Like today is Tuesday, just circle the day like this. Before we start our activity, dear kids, have you ever seen a camel? What color is it? Where does it live? And talk about it with your teacher and friends. Tell me, dear student, have you ever seen a camel? Hope you saw the camel. The color of a camel is brown and the camel live in the desert. Now let's moving toward our activity. Now let's perform activity. Students, here the alphabets are given and we will join these alphabets in order, as the points are also given, and we will join these dots. First, start from the alphabet A. As the first alphabet is A, now let's start from A toward B. What comes after A? It's B. Now let's join the dot from A to B like this, a straight line. Next alphabet is C. Now let's move towards C. Now, dear students, the next alphabet is, what comes after C? It's D. Now let's find the alphabet D. Where is D? Have you found a D? The D is here. Now let's join the dot like this. Next, E. What comes after E? It's F. Now move toward F. Next alphabet G. The next is H. Join the dot like this. Next alphabet is, what comes after H? It's I. Now move toward I. Next is J. What comes after J? It's K. L. M. Now join the dots in the same order. N. What comes after N? It's O. Now move toward O. Next alphabet P. Now the next alphabet is Q. Where is Q? Now find the Q with me. Q is here. Now let's join the dot from P to Q. Now the next is R, S, T. Now toward U, V. The next one is W and X. Now X to Y, and last one is Z. Here we join all the dots and the picture of camel is complete. Dear kids, hope you enjoyed today's activity. The next is, what is the beginning sound of camel? Try to guess. Do you know what is the beginning sound of camel? Students, just remind, in our previous lecture we discussed about the phonics of alphabets. Now let's guess, what's the beginning sound of camel? The beginning sound of camel is K. K, camel. Repeat, K, camel. Now let's color the picture. As it's a tree, now I use the brown color in the lower section and the green color in the upper section. Now how we will color it. Start from the boundaries. First, we color the boundaries and then in the middle section. Now let's color it. Students, color the picture like this, as our coloring session is also complete. Over to the page number 3. Now the topic is fill in the blanks. As first, write the date on the top. As we already learned how to write the alphabet A to Z, and we will learn the writing patterns of alphabets. Now we will fill the blanks. Now let's start with me. The first alphabet A. What comes after A? It's B. Now how we'll write B? Now let's write the B like a straight line like this, and then half round, and again half round like this. It becomes B. C. The next alphabet is, what comes after C? It's D. A straight line and round like this. What comes after D? It's E. How we'll write E? A straight line like this, and the horizontal line, and again 3 lines. It becomes E. F. G. What comes after G? It's H. How we'll write H? A straight line, again straight line, and join these 2 lines like this. I. J. How we'll write J? A straight line like this and then move upward. K. Straight line and then a slanting line like this, and then again a slanting line. L. M. What comes after M? It's N. And how we'll write N? Like a straight line like this, another straight line, and a slanting line like this. Join these 2 lines. O. How we'll write O? It's like a 0, a round shape. P. Q. The next alphabet is R. A straight line, then half round, and a slanting line. It's become R. S. T. How will write T? It's a straight line and a horizontal line like this, a straight line. U. How will write U? A straight line like this and a curve, and then move upward. V. W. How will write W? It's a straight line, then a slanting line, again slanting line, and then move upward. Y. How will write Y? The next alphabet is Y. What comes after X? It's Y. As starting from this point, a small line and then a slanting line like this. The next alphabet is Z. How will write Z? A horizontal line and then a slanting line, and then again horizontal line. As our today task is completed, now next one is read the ABC poem with your teacher and friends. Dear students, you will also watch this poem on YouTube. Now next is page number 4. It's write A to Z. It's your home task, and you have to complete your home task with the help of your parents. Dear students, let's open the English readers, page number 2. Page number 2, unit number 2, alphabets A to P. Now dear student, today we will learn what's the phonic of A and how to read it. Here the different pictures are mentioned with names as their names are starting from the alphabet A. Now let's start with me. What's the phonic of A? A. The phonic of A is A. A, apple. Do you like apple? Dear student, apple is a healthy food. Do you like apple? A, apple. The next picture, almonds, nuts. A, almonds. A, arrow. As the arrow show the direction. A, axe. Do you know about axe? As it's help in the wood cutting. A, ant. A, apricots. It's also a healthy food with a sweet taste. Now dear student, repeat it again. A, apple. A, almonds. A, arrow. A, axe. A, ant. A, apricots. Now, which fruit has one seed? Apple or apricot? Do you know which fruit has one seed? Now let's guess. It's apricot. Apricot has one seed. Now tick the apricot like this. The next one is the practice writing capital and the small a. Now dear students, trace the A by following these dots. Now let's start practice. Starting from this point, like this. Again, a slanting line like this, and then just trace A. Now the small a, trace the small a like this. Now dear students, over to the page number 3. Look and say. Now dear student, the next alphabet is B. What's the phonic of B? B. B, B. Now the first picture, banana. B, B, banana. Do you like banana? Yes, I also like banana. B, B, banana. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. Do you like playing with the ball? Yes. Very good. Biba, boy. Biba, bag. A beautiful color, blue color bag. Biba, bus. Students, the bus mean of transport. Biba, box. Now, read it again. Biba, banana. Biba, ball. Biba, boy. Biba, bag. Biba, bus. Biba, box. Now dear students, what is the color of your bag? Color the given box same as your bag color. Now dear students, you have to color this box use the same color like the color of your bag. Now color it. Now dear students, I use pink color. As you also color the box, use the same color as your bag color. Next one is practice writing B. Now, how to write B? Follow these dots and trace the capital and the small b like a straight line. Now, like this. Then the half round. It's a B. Just follow these dots. Like this. It becomes capital B. The next small b, a straight line. Just follow the dots. B. Now dear students, it was all about today's working. Now take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Fi aman.